Narrative text is a text that says a story or an event, either real or imaginary or fictional, with the purpose of entertaining the readers or listeners. Usually, a narrative text is used to deliver moral messages like values or entertainment through an interesting storyline, example legends, fairy tales, fables, myths, and folk tales. For example, the magical journal, the clever deer and the tiger, and the story of Jembatan Mas. Generic structure of narrative text. 1. Orientation. Bagian pembuka cerita yang memperkenalkan tokoh, tempat, dan waktu kejadian. Contoh, once there was a girl named Supik. Suatu ketika ada seorang gadis yang bernama Supik. 2. Problem, bagian di mana muncul masalah yang dialami tokoh utama. Contoh, she felt very stressed. She wished she could remember everything. Si di sini kata ganti Supik tadi ya. Dia merasa sangat stres. Dia berharap dia dapat mengingat semuanya. 3. Complication. Konflik yang dialami tokoh utama. Masalahnya lebih hebat. Contoh, she didn't want to share to help her friends. Dia tidak mau berbagi dengan temannya. 4. Resolution, bagian di mana masalah diselesaikan, bisa berakhir bahagia, happy ending, atau sedih or sad ending. Contoh, suddenly the magical journal glowed and started to fade. The pages became blank again. Tiba-tiba jurnal ajaib itu bersinar. Warnanya mulai memudar. Halaman-halamannya menjadi kosong lagi. 5. Reorientation or coda. Penutup yang berisi pesan moral atau kesimpulan cerita. Contoh, Supik realized her mistake. She had been selfish and greedy. Supik menyadari kesalahannya. Dia telah menjadi egois dan serakah. Okay, next, language features of narrative text. 1. Past tense, karena cerita sudah terjadi di masa lampau. Contoh, named, verb 1-nya name, felt, verb 1-nya feel, wanted, verb 1-nya want. Dan to be-nya bukan is, am, are lagi, tapi dia memakai to be-nya past tense yaitu was and were. 2. Action verb yang menunjukkan tindakan, contoh look, wrote, put. 3. Adjective menggambarkan tokoh dan tempat, contoh small, kecil, selfish, egois, and greedy, rakus. 4. Time connectives, conjunction mengurutkan kejadian, contoh then, kemudian, suddenly, tiba-tiba. And the last one, direct and indirect speech, percakapan secara langsung atau tidak langsung antar tokoh. Contoh, I want to be the best student. Saya ingin jadi siswa yang terbaik. Oke, setelah mendengar pengertian dari naratif dan strukturnya, sekarang mari kita mengerjakan tugas listeningnya.
Do you wanna hear about magical journal?
Once there was a girl named Supik. She was a quiet girl who loved to read books.
One day, her grandma gave her a small old journal. The cover was a deep, sparkling blue. Supik opens the journal. The pages were blank. She was a little disappointed. She wanted a book with a story.
Supik put the journal on her desk. The night she was studying for a difficult test.
She wished she could remember everything. She looked at the blank journal. Just for fun, she wrote on the first page, I wish I knew the answer to every question.
The next morning, she opened the book.
The pages were not blank. They were filled with perfect answers to her test question.
Supik was so surprised. She had a magical journal.
It matched whatever she wrote come true. Supik started to write in the journal every day. She wrote, I want to be the best student. She became the top of her class.
Dempsey wrote, I want to have a lot of friends.
She became the most popular girl in the school. She was so happy. But soon, she became greedy. She wanted more. She wrote, I want to have a lot of money.
A bag full of gold appears. Sophie hid the bag.
She wrote, I want to have the most expensive car.
A shiny red car appears in front of her house.
She becomes selfish. She only talks about herself. One afternoon, Sophie's best friend, Iam, came to her house. Iam was sad. She told Sophie that her family was very poor. They could not afford food. Sophie looked at the bag of gold.
She could help him, but she thought about her new car and clothes. She did not want to share.
Suddenly, the magical journal glow started to fade. The pages became black again. The bag of gold disappeared. The red car disappeared. All the things she was for are gone. Sophie was heartbroken. She realized her mistake.
She had been selfish and greedy. The magic was not meant for selfish desires.
Hello class, it's great to see your bright faces. I know sometimes English can feel a little challenging, so let's shake off any stress and get comfortable words. Today, we're going to start with a fun English-based ice-breaking activity. The goal is simple, speak English and smile. Who's excited? Let's go! Yeah! Okay class, are you ready?
The microphone I. Into my life and into your
Oke, belum ya? Oke, next. Oke, next. Oke, next.